Good evening, Micromap here, bringing you a video with today's stock trades and movements in the markets. Tell you, man, this market's resilient. It's pretty crazy. PPI came out a little bit hotter than expected, and we had some Fed jibber jabber. They blah blah blah. They're pretty divided in regards to holding rates here for a while. See how the lagging effect that has on inflation. The PPI did come hotter. Some say that they may have to raise in the future again. Got some allergies again. I start sneezing here. Waiting for the kiddo. She's practicing. But yeah, the market was up. It's incredible. One account was down a little bit. The other account, I bought natural gas on the dip because it's been so strong as of late. And I saw it dip down to like 325, and I grabbed the contract /QG, and it bounced back up, and that kind of saved my day. The 10-year was down. That kind of hurt a little bit. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We got the CPI report. I'm sure the 10-year will move with that as well if it comes out really hot. We had some more price increases named today when I was reading the news. Disney's raising their prices. I don't go to Disney anymore, and if I go, I like the water parks. I don't know which ones they own, but I like when I go to Orlando, I go to there's Volcano Bay, Blizzard Beach. There was another one. It's called Aquarius, or I don't remember. I haven't been in a while, but I used to go all the time over the summer. I love those water parks and slides. So much fun. So Disney raised their rates. Chipotle talked about increasing pricing as well, and we're just gonna see it everywhere. It's just gonna be everywhere. We'll get into the futures. Let me jump to the futures. They opened up about an hour ago. 10 years down to 455 again. It got up to like 461 today, around there. It was down like 9 bips, 10 bips almost. The dollar is down a little bit, 105.72 right now. All foreign currencies are green, except the peso. Bitcoin is up 30. I think I saw Bitcoin down today. Yeah, it was down. We're at under 27. We're at 26,830. Oil got hit today. I picked up a contract, and I'm pretty even on that contract. I basically picked it up at 83.25 where it's at. I didn't even sell when it bounced back up because it did bounce back up. I'm gonna keep it because I think that we should see higher prices. I don't think this whole deal is gonna just fade away with as many casualties we have seen. S&P is at 44.17, up 750. It's just incredible. Gold had a bump up today to 1887. It's pretty much stayed there all day. It did good. Feeders are 250. I don't know what the December hogs did. Let me see here. 64 days. They closed at $70. Might be we're picking up a contract there at 67 if it could get down there. Copper 361. Well off the highs. Cattle 187 is still holding its ground. Small caps making at 10 back at that 1800 level at 1792. NASDAQ over 15.4, up 25. The Swiss franc is up a little bit. Dow Jones back over 34K. Natural gas at 340 almost. The grains don't open up till 8. They were all down today, except I think they were all down. Soybeans got hit pretty hard. Corn has been just trading between 480 and 490s. It doesn't want to, hasn't gotten to that $5 level, $5 key level. Soybeans, it's on the lower end, may test 1225. It has not made any attempts to get to 13. And wheat, it hit like 550 today. I'm long all the grains, especially wheat, with all the stuff that's going on in Ukraine, and anything can make that pop. And those are the futures. On the trade front in Tasty, they were, so here, let me go back to the camera. So in my prior videos, one of the trends that I noticed today, for you guys that may be looking at stocks or good companies out there, even for long-term plays, I have mentioned in one of my prior videos that Novo and Eli Lilly were great picks because of everybody, the Ozempic or whatever you call that drug name, that that people are taking to lose weight, which I know a couple of people are doing it, and it's caused digestive problems. They can't take a shit. It becomes a problem. But they do lose weight, and they lose their appetite. Here's some points in regards to those two stocks. Those are good two stocks to maybe buy if you think that trend will continue. But Coca-Cola and Pepsi are getting hurt, if you notice this. Even Walmart has been gyrating a lot. Dollar General has been destroyed. Fast food joints have been going down because people are less hungry. People don't want to eat on this. Obviously, you're not going to take a crap if you don't eat either. That's why keto, when I would do keto, even though I was getting potassium and trying to get my fiber, you're not eating a lot. So you're not going to go to the bathroom a lot. It's just common sense. Apparel companies. So A&F, I think they're Abercrombie and Finch, maybe. Yeah, I think that's A&F. Gap was up, A&F was up. Apparel. So they think that people are going to lose weight and going to go buy apparel. So apparel stocks, look at some of those names. Lululemon wasn't up on the day, but A&F was up. Gap was up. I didn't check the other ones. American Eagle, I would have to check. And I don't know what other clothes companies are out there. On the downside, you had the food snack companies. Novo came out today with research that their medicine, the obesity drug, helps kidneys. So Baxter, DaVita, I'm trying to think from the top of my head. I put trades on all of them. They all got Medtronics, Intuitive Surgical. All these companies got destroyed. And I mean, I think there's value there. Maybe I'm wrong. But I did trades in them. So that's just another trend. And that's what I saw today in the market. In the general market, stock market, besides tech being up, the Magnificent Seven, that everybody, the same old crap that all the money goes to because it's the safest bet in the planet Earth. And they have all the money. These medical companies were destroyed, and we'll see it on the bar chart. And I did trades on a lot of them. I don't know if they're gonna work out, but whatever. Abbott Labs was one of them. I did a put credit spread in them, 9 days out. I did a lot of them 9 days out because I've been doing. If I saw a put credit spread, I'd do 9 days out. Maybe I should go 45 days out. But I like this 9-day out kind of thing or weekly thing because you see instant results because of the decay. Anyways, I'm a trader, so I started doing 45 days. I have to wait a long time, manage at 21 days. I'm trying to do quicker stuff. Dexcom, another one. I did 9 days out. They do the blood sugar monitoring system. Intuitive Surgical, I did a put credit spread on them 9 days out. Dollar General, I did a put credit spread on them 9 days out. Target, I closed out my position. I made money on there. I closed it out for 7 cents, got the risk off. Eli Lilly, I did a broken wing butterfly to the call side. So that gives me 9 days, and if Eli Lilly jumps up to 625 and I can hit that short strike, I collected on that one $50. I can still make money if the stock goes up. If it goes down or stays sideways, I still keep my credit. Medtronics, I did a put credit spread. Baxter, I did a put credit spread. Chevron was down huge. I did a put credit spread. DaVita, another, I think they do kidney analysis at 70, dialysis, not analysis, dialysis, when they filter your kidneys or your blood. If you don't have any kidneys, that's what I meant to say. 70-cent credit on that one, 9 days out. AI closed out for some profit. PepsiCo did another put credit spread in PepsiCo. Shorted Adobe. Tupperware shorted with call credit spreads. And I did Tupperware 9 days out because I did it in the money. So we'll see. Google shorted 2 days out. Roblox shorted till next week. Coca-Cola went long for it to go back up for next week. Disney closed out for a profit today. Closed out Weight Watchers for a profit today. Closed Advanced Micro Device for a profit today. ExxonMobil, I don't think I'm going to see 110 by Friday. So I think ExxonMobil's a great company. One of the biggest oil companies out there. I just rolled it out for another dollar credit almost. But this one I did do for 37 days. I don't mind being long a big, strong oil company. 37 days out, give me some more time. It was the only way I can attain another credit and keep the dream alive. I closed out Super Microcomputer short, which I sold yesterday. And that's it because, because these are going back to yesterday's. I got to change this filter today. Boom. Yeah, so Super Microcomputer is the last one. So those were my trades today in Tasty. Pretty active. On the bar chart, man, Bryce Harper, I'm telling you, man, if the Braves do not win this series, that is ludicrous. The Phillies are hot, and Harper hit another bomb. Congrats to the Rangers. I think they're in. The Rangers beat the Orioles, and they're done with their series, so congrats to Tejas and his Rangers. They moved on to the next round. Now they're waiting for Houston and Twins, which I think Houston should win that series. They got a lot of experience, but it's a shocker if these Braves lose the series because the Braves were hot all year. So we'll see. And Diamondbacks, they could sweep tonight the Dodgers. That's crazy, insane. Going to the bar chart. So far, I hope nobody calls me and interrupts. I had to do 2 videos yesterday. And I'll do some YouTube shorts because that always helps out, and people don't have attention span to watch longer videos. So that's why there's 2 types of platforms, the shorts and the longer ones that enjoy content. I like listening to long videos. I listen to Peter Schiff. I listen to Gregory Mannarino. I listen to I Allegedly. Who else? Jeremiah Babe. There's a guy with the funny hair. I forgot his name. I can't remember his name, man. Bravo, I think it is. I don't know, but I listen to them, man, and I like them, and I subscribe, and I watch their videos. I like YouTube. Anyways, these are the most actives today. We can go to the biggest winners. So Eli Lilly up 25, the weight drug. Adobe was up big 17. Avago makes chips. Let me get a swig of water. Makes chips. up 16, Amgen up 12, Booking up 11, Nvidia 10, Northrop Grumman 8. Thank God I closed that out the same yesterday or whatever. I don't have a position in that. LRCX up 7, American Tower 7, MongoDB 6, Meta up 6, Novo up 5, CrowdStrike 4, Public Storage 4, Jabil Circuit 4, ASML 4, a lot of chips up. Microsoft up 4 to 332, Costco, Digital Realty, Pioneer, Elf, Union Pacific, Seagate, all up over $3. Biggest losers, these are all like medical supply companies. It was pretty insane. Inspire Medical, I didn't do nothing in that one because I don't know much about them. But Internal Surgical, I've always seen them around. DaVita, down 16% because they do kidney, what's the word? Not analysis. I always forget. Dialysis. Stryker down 14, Mercado Libre down 14, HubSpot 12, HCA 9, Align, they do braces down 8, Chipotle on price hikes down 8. Netflix has gotten beat up lately. I don't think their ad thing has produced what the street would like. Down 7. I'm getting hurt on a put credit spread in there. Let's see if it bounces back over 370 by Friday. Humana down 6, Silk Road 6, Zimmer 6, Team 6, Dexcom 6, Becton Dickinson 5, MicroStrategy 5, Chevron down 5, Abbott down 4, Baxter 4, Lamb Weston, I think they do potatoes, down 4, Massimo 4, ExxonMobil down almost 4, Brinks down 4 almost, Medtronic down 3, Boston Scientific down 289, Arista Networks 287, to name a few of the biggest losers. I'm driving a Kia. I think this is a Kia Niro. Went to a chiropractor today and got adjusted. I feel a little bit better. I've been feeling like shit, guys. Really, really bad. I've been dealing with my back issue for like, I want to say, probably like 2 months. It's really, really bad. I got better, and then I got setbacks, and I kind of noticed. I walk a lot, and I look at my sneakers, and I have underpronation. Like I'm eating the top front of the sole and the back outside of the sole. So I have underpronation really bad, I noticed. And I played baseball all my life.